You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name of French origin, and it is famously the name of a famous French sculptor. How do you say it? In British it is said as Rodin, but in French it is said as Rodin, Rodin, so really you could say it as Rodin rather than Rodin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.